When I was starting out solo on a big ADV bike, there was a certain level of anxiety about getting caught out in a remote area, whether it be on steep loose hills or in a wet boggy valley. Being solo in areas without people or mobile reception, it's hard to commit to some routes when you get there to the steep hill or a long bog hole and see something that sets off your alarm bells and has you turning around. It's a defeating feeling, and when alone, turning around is probably your best bet. I've decided to put together this series to show the terrain, challenges and conditions of the trails at the time of publishing. A sort of guide to help others riders figure out whether they want to tackle a certain road or trail solo, and help alleviate some of the doubt involved with the mind's perception of the unknown, challenging their riding skills in new terrain on a big bike. At the end of the day, the safest way to attempt these routes is with a group, and always carrying some snacks, water, tools, first aid kit and some form of satellite communication on your person. There is no implied responsibility taken with this information. Motorcycling in any environment is a dangerous activity to be partaken in at your own risk. So sit back and enjoy as I show a particular dirt road or trail in its entirety that I've ridden lately. And I'll go through a short rundown at the end of the video pointing out conditions and challenges to look out for, rate each section on difficulty for myself as an average rider, and ultimately answer the question, is this route big bike friendly? As far as I know, I've never been down this road before. Thank you. Is it concrete? That was a lot easier than it looked like it was going to be. Fucking water was moving a fair bit downstream though. Hit it. Oh, right in the middle.
coming in a bit odd on that one. haven't been down this road before either. I have been where it intersects out back in towards Braidwood though, I think. One time heading in the other direction on the way back north. Hey.
This is my first time riding this trail, so I took it easy, but I had to keep in mind that this was at the beginning of a long day of riding all the way down to Cooma and all off-road. The road is fairly well maintained with a loose gravel surface on a hard-packed base. The area sees plenty of traffic as there's many properties in the area, as well as many people filtering from the area towards Braidwood Road to gain access to the coast. There are a few sections that are skatey with a loose layer of dust that's almost like talcum powder, and also the odd pothole to navigate. The crossing of the Shoalhaven River is on a concrete ford, but the water level can rise quickly, making the crossing unrideable on a motorcycle. Even at the depth we crossed it on this day, the water was moving with enough volume and speed to make steering the bike against the flow of water a necessity to maintain a line as not to get washed off the concrete into the deep. This crossing is not to be taken lightly, even though it is relatively easy. The flow and depth must be gauged before you attempt it. I'm not sure how rain affects the surface of this road, as I've only been down it twice close together in time. Both times the road was in a similar condition. I'm sure that prolonged heavy rain would damage some sections of this road. This trail is relatively easy and probably a 1 out of 5 on the scale of the hardest places I've ridden. Personally, I think this trail is definitely big bike friendly, even for beginner to intermediate riders, though the water crossing is not to be taken lightly. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.